How to fix the stuck button on a Logitech M510. It's supposed to sound like this. Not. Let's open it up and see what's wrong. First, remove the back panel and the batteries. Peel the tab to the side, exposing the 2 screws underneath. Remove. Then, with your thumb, try and bring up the battery compartment and slide the forward assembly towards the back, till it slowly pops off and is removed. We're going to check for extra debris directly underneath our buttons, and here we have the internal compartment. We have our batteries, our indicator LEDs, our wheel, and our 2 buttons. Then to dislodge any debris, I'm going to hold this wheel and shake, and a tiny piece of plastic did come out, and that appears to have fixed our issue. We are going to reassemble and test. To reassemble, we are going to fold the inner compartment in, slowly seating it and sliding it to the front. This will also recess the back battery compartment. Test the buttons. Now we're going to reinstall our screws. Then we'll reinstall our batteries and our back cover. And then with this switch, we're going to make sure that the indicator LED does turn on. And now we have restored the full click to this mouse.